In this video, you will learn how to become a Godaddy affiliate partner. First, sign up. Sign up for CJ Affiliates. Godaddy runs its affiliate program through CJ Affiliates. Then, complete your profile. After registering, fill out your profile with your details about your website, audience and promotional strategies. Then apply for the Godaddy affiliate program. Once your CJ affiliate account is ready, search for Godaddy in the advertising section and apply to join their program. Wait approval. Your application will be reviewed. Approving usually takes 2 to 3 days at most. Then you will have to accept a basic guideline. Access affiliate tools. Once you are approved, you will get access to marketing assets like banners, affiliate links, tracking tools, all to promote Godaddy effectively. Start promoting. Use your unique affiliate link to promote Godaddy on your blog, website or social media. You will earn commission for every qualifying sale you refer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.